Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is cell division and we are going to do reading of science on reading book page 19. Now start reading. It is our common observation that living things grow and increase in size. It is also observed that offspring resemble their parents. We have learned that all the living things are made up of cells. Hence, more and more cells are needed for growth and development of living things. Where do new cells come from? The answer to the question is that the new cells arise by the divisions of pre-existing cells. Now come to the next topic, cell division. Cell division is a process by which a cell divides into two daughter cells. The cell which divides is called parent cell. The cells which are produced as a result of cell division are called daughter cell. Before the start of cell division, the parent cell passes through a phase called interphase. During interphase, chromosomes in the nucleus are duplicated, i.e., copies of all the chromosomes are developed. The process of cell division involves two phases, nuclear division and cytokinesis. Nuclear division. Nuclear division is the division of nucleus, which is followed by cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. You need to know, nucleus is such part of the cell which controls the whole cell activity. The chromosomes are found in the nucleus of the cell. They consist of proteins and DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a material that contains complete set of instruction for developing new cell or organism. That is why DNA is called hereditary material. For one kind of organism, the number of chromosomes in the cells remains same. However, when an individual forms gametes, sperm or eggs in animals or spores in plant, the number of chromosomes is reduced to half in the gametes or spores. Look at this diagram. This is a nuclear membrane and that is nucleus, and these are chromosomes present in the nucleus, and these are centriole, and this is cell membrane. Cell division is of two types, which are called mitosis and meiosis. Now our next topic is mitosis. Mitosis is a process by which parent cell divides into two daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as in the parent cell. Look at this diagram. This is the parent cell. It divides into two daughter cells, and the number of chromosomes in the parent cell are same as in the daughter cell. Before mitosis, during interphase, two sets of chromosomes are formed. This is the interphase, and the two sets of chromosomes are formed. During mitosis, the nucleus of parent cell divides and each set of chromosomes is distributed in each daughter nucleus. After nuclear division, a shallow groove arises in the middle of cytoplasm, which deepens further and divides the cell into two daughter cells, each having a nucleus. This is a parent cell and this is an interphase, and parent cell is divided into two daughter cells, and after nuclear division, a shallow groove arises in the middle of the cytoplasm, which deepens further and divides into two daughter cells, and each having a nucleus. This is a nucleus in the cell. Today your diary is write question, describe mitosis on your notebook, and the answer of this question is start from this and end on this. You have to write this question on your notebook and also draw a diagram and prepare title page. Allah Hafiz.